You're fine, boss. Race on 635, you're fine.
Guys, it's 6:35 again.
Come on then.
Talk about 10-second timer. Now it's time for something rare. It's time for your 1 Bravo 81 0930 East Coast service to London King's Cross.
315 and 319 and
315.
a million coaches and some bush 3/4 the way down.
1, 2, 3, 4. I've lost count. 1, 2,
You're
3,
controlling the engine.
4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 8.
Yeah,
8.
10 then. Going engines which you can't travel in. You can if you're a god.
And or a driver.
Or a toy cars. Yeah, thanks for that. Final whistle.
Why doesn't like anyone whistle? There are like no trains that whistle apart from the HS3. Shut up, East Coast Guard. There's always that one East Coast Guard, isn't there? Always blowing his whistle.
Nonsense, don't even blow away. They don't.
Well, they only call it like Doncaster and York, and then they go straight to their points.
At some point, Wetford.
Hello,
here we
Buzz.
go. Here comes the 1 Bravo 81 930 East Coast service from here to London King's Cross. It's a long way. A couple of 100 miles, I'd say. A couple 100.
Yeah, if that.
Leading the way is
43, 315.
With the following hole at lots.
So listen carefully.
41099, 41100, 40711, 42235, 42239, 42240, 42198.
43, 315 to 43.
406,
319 to London King's Cross. And
Bring the knob, would you? Oh wait, it's all the way at Brayford for you, innit? Maybe not.
there it goes. And that's it.